The supply usage page is used to see all supplies used at a location and during a given time. By default, the page shows all locations for the last 30 days. To change the location, click the blue All Locations text and select a location from the dialog. Likewise, clicking the blue Date Range text allows you to change the time period you are viewing. Moving down to the toolbar, the first button allows you to group the usage history by supply type, category, location, or location type. This is important because there are aggregated totals that will change depending on how the history is grouped. For instance, changing the grouping to location will show you a total of all supplies used at each location. Grouping by location type will show you how many supplies you used by type, such as all supplies used at customer locations. Next is the drop-downs for sorting and sort direction. The Reload button can be used if you want to update the data to get changes that may have occurred since you opened the page. Aggregate All works with the grouping feature. It allows you to collapse all history for a given supply type in a single line. For instance, if you had used trash bags multiple times at a customer location and you group by location, you could use the Aggregate All button to lump all the trash bags into one line to see the total used at that location. The Hide All button collapses all of the categories. Once they are collapsed, the button changes to Show All, which expands all of the categories. Within each category panel, there is a category title which can be clicked to expand or collapse the category, an Aggregate Supply Items for aggregating just that panel, and an Export button which will export the panel's content to CSV format. Using these features, if you wanted to see all supplies used at a certain location, you could either select that location at the top of the report or group the results by location, collapse all the locations, find the location you are looking for, and expand its panel. At that point, you can view the results as is or aggregate the results to see all the quantities of each type used. You could then export the results for further reporting.